Oh, SoHo. How have you guys done from 2022, 2023, Q1 to Q3? Let's talk about it. What's going on, good guys? Chris Newman here, Chris Newman Real Estate, chrisnewmanrealestate.com. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend. Like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. Smash that subscribe button, right? That's hilarious. All right, so we're going to talk about the sales trend, the market trends in SoHo, the co-op and the condo market, Q1 through Q3 versus 2022 versus 2023. Okay, so only Q1 through Q3. January 1st to September 30th in 2022 and in 2023. All right, let's talk about it. So in SoHo, the co-op market, we had 38 sales in the co-op market in 2022 versus 2023 with only 22. So we sold less units Q1 through Q3 in co-ops. So we sold less co-ops this year. Average price point in 2022, the average price point was $3,327,000. All right, let's see how we, did we balance it out? Did we do better? Did we do worse? In 2023, we actually improved crazy. So the average price point for co-ops in 2023, again, Q1 through Q3, $5,123,000. So we're up $1,796,000. Sometimes that. All right. Days on the market in 2022, 117 days on the market. In 2023, 168. All right. So we sold less units, but for more money. However, we had to stay on the market about 2 months longer, a month and a half. As far as the average price, we are up about 54% in the SoHo co-op market. Let's talk condos. Again, it's only Q1 through Q3. So in 2022, we sold 63 condos, okay? Now, the condos and co-op units, we're talking about studio, 1, 2, 3, etc. bedroom. So I just combined everything, all right? In 2023, 42 condos. So we sold less condos again. So we sold less units again in 2023 than we did in 2022, Q1 through Q3. Average price point was $5,331,000 in 2022 versus 2023. Average price point, again, we went up $6,940,000. So we're up 1.609 million. Okay, 1,609,000. We are up. That's a 30.18% increase in price. All right. Days on the market, 95 in 2022 and 2023, 115. So similar to what happened with the co-op market in SoHo. So SoHo did amazing. We sold less condos for more money, and we stayed on the market about a month more. All right, 30% increase. SoHo, that's amazing. Keep up the good work. You guys want to buy in SoHo? Hit me. You guys want to sell in SoHo? I'm the guy for it. And congrats on the owners and the sellers that made the moves. Congrats on the buyers that made the moves. If you guys have any interest in the SoHo market, please give me a call, 347-993-0051. Talk to you guys soon.